Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Thule ThruRide. The ThruRide fits a variety of through axles ranging from 12 to 20 millimeters and fits on most factory and aftermarket crossbars. To begin assembly, drop the cross pins into their slots and push them through until they bottom out on the other side. Then loosely thread a knob onto each one. Next, grab the cam levers and insert them into the top of the ThruRide. Thread the quick flip levers into the cam levers to the bottom of the unit. The quick flip levers can be rotated to accommodate for your vehicle's specific bar size. Slide the rear mounting assembly into place. Longer and shorter bolts are included to ensure that the rear mount fits your crossbar appropriately. Insert the end cap into place to ensure your rear mounting assembly will not fall off. The front of the ThruRide can also be mounted to your crossbar with the supplied T-bolts shown here. To install the ThruRide on your vehicle, place the unit on your crossbars. Slide the rear tray assembly into place and close the bracket around your crossbar. Tighten the knobs and make sure it's secure. To secure the front of the ThruRide, close the levers around the knobs. You may need to loosen or tighten the cam levers before you close them depending on the size of your crossbar. To mount a bike without a through axle, use the supplied adapter and make sure when fully tightened you cannot move the adapter whatsoever. You may need to adjust the tension with the gray wheel. Then, lift your bike into place. Tighten the knobs on each side, close the lever, and make sure that your forks are secured in the adapter. To secure the rear wheel, thread the strap through the wheel and down into the buckle, making sure it's tight. The rear wheel trace slides independently from the channel on the bottom, which means even when the unit is installed on your crossbars, you can adjust its position. A 2-pack of Thule locks can be purchased separately to lock the ThruRide to your crossbar, as well as lock the cover in place. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule ThruRide. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.